Hey, 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 here I am again. You ready to learn a little bit more Spanish? All right. So you know, guys, that in English and even in Spanish, we've been learning the present tense. I go, I eat, I talk, things that we do right now. Well, now we're getting ready to learn how to say those types of things in the past. So, for example, instead of saying I eat, we would say I ate. Instead of saying I go, we would say I went. Instead of saying I write, I wrote. So I want you to think for a second about some terms in English that we often associate with the past tense. For example, yesterday, last night, last week, last weekend, last Monday, yesterday, this morning at 5 o'clock. So you see, we often use in English the word last to indicate something that has taken place in the past tense. So I'm going to talk to you today of a concept in Spanish, the past tense, and we have two in Spanish, but today we're just going to learn one, and it's called the pretérito. Look up here on the board. Oops. Look up here. The pretérito, past tense. So this is a very common past tense in Spanish, and I want you to view it in the following ways. I want you to think of the preterite, the pretérito, as referring to an action that is complete. It's happened, it's over, it's viewed as completely finished. For example, think about me. I was born in 1976. That happened and it's over. Or in 1986, my grandmother passed away. That's an event, it happened, and it's over. Or this morning at 6 o'clock, I woke up. It happened this morning, today, and it's over. Hopefully, in the future, I'll be able to wake up at whatever time it happens to be. But the fact that today, here in July, I woke up July 5th at 7 in the morning or 6 in the morning, that's over. It's an event that happened. So view the pretérito as actions that have happened and they're seen as completed, okay? So let's look at a few words that we commonly associate with the pretérito. We'll often use these when we are writing sentences or whatever. So we've got the word ayer, which is yesterday. Okay, and we also have another common word, anoche, which means last night, not tonight. Some people think that it means tonight, but it does not. It means last night. So ayer, yesterday, anoche, last night. Okay, another expression could be la semana pasada. La semana pasada, last week, okay? Last week. So that expression right here, or rather the adjective pasada, refers to something that is past, just like in English, last week. So la semana pasada, last week. What if something happened last year? Well, el año pasado, okay? You see, last year. And notice that here I'm using pasado because the word año is masculine, and I use pasada up there because the word semana is feminine. Okay? So anyway, we've got la semana pasada, el año pasado. Let's say that something happened last Monday. We would say el lunes pasado. El lunes pasado. Last Monday. Okay? So if it makes logical sense, you normally can say pasado or pasada with whatever time expression it might be. So again, it's just a brief introduction to the pretérito. Again, remember, it is a tense that reflects the past, but it reflects something that is viewed as completely over and done. It's a D squared, a done deal. Wow. For example, right now, yo enseñé el pretérito. I taught the preterite. I just finished teaching it. So that is the preterite. It just happened just a few minutes ago, but that's still considered the past. So learn these words: ayer, anoche, la semana pasada, el año pasado, el lunes pasado, and on and on and on. So this was just a quick introduction to the pretérito. All right, see you soon. Gracias.